At that point, when the fifth chakra is reached, we are already feeling loved and giving love. We don't have any personal baggage or issues. Our past is resolved. So we're kind of a free being experiencing that journey. And by the time the fifth chakra opens up, we're just observing. And in this area of the fifth chakra, there is a lot to see and a lot to understand, because we receive message, not one message, we receive many messages. This is a realm of connection, realm of exchange of energy. In the fourth one, you find out that you are loved and that you give love. In the fifth one, you find out that there are beings out there that we know, we've heard about, and some of us have direct contact with. Like, let's say, Virgin Mary, angels, spirit guides, and they are there all the time helping others with all kinds of issues. In the same way, there are psychic people who can help to find out about past or future if you need to know. They are not necessarily, they don't necessarily know how they do it, but the point is that their fifth chakra is opened, developed, and they naturally get information. They get it from that area, that dimension of the fifth chakra, where all the information of what has already happened and what's going to happen is stored. It's recorded. They're called Akashic records. They can be reached if your fifth chakra is open. If there is a need, we can find out what's going to happen or what did happen that we want to know about. Fifth chakra is also in our more daily life, relating to the vibration of sound. That's why music lifts us up. We forget about our troubles when we listen to inspiring music. It's important. Music is so important. People with beautiful voices make us melt. We want to hear more. This is where the connection with that incredible world of the fifth chakra, fifth dimension, is reached. We can reach it through the vibration of sound, through the harmonies of sound.